Now, g'day guys, Wayne and Judy from Down Under again. So this is going to be part 2 in the restoration of our white, we believe it's called a mission cabinet. So we've done the top section, that's now soaking, we're letting that soak in. So while we're waiting for that, what we'll do is we'll do this side here. So you can see the actual condition of this is pretty sad. So we're not going to scrape it back, we want to find out what the actual true condition of this cabinet is. So again, just with pale boiled linseed oil, some 00 steel wool, you can see I'm not using a lot. This is going to come up brilliantly. So again, you always go with the grain wherever possible. There are some areas it'll be a bit difficult. So you can see this has got the up and down grain, this one's got the side grain. And we're not going to be able to do that one, going with the grain. So we could put this on its side and tip it on, but for the purpose of today we'll just use it in the upright. But already you can see the beautiful honey tones coming into this. So the first lot will soak in. We'll do a quick D on the bottom as well. You can see with the white here that just about most of the shellac has been worn off. So that's probably from weather getting onto it. Because what happens with the shellac is it crystallises and then it basically washes off. But you can see all the beautiful tones. Just looking in these two here. So this really is not going to take much at all. Even this area down here, look, there's your shellac there. So again, this being the first coat, that's going to soak pretty well in. So whilst we're waiting for that to do its job, we'll just leave that sitting there as it is and let that soak in. So now what we'll do, you can see up on the top here that we've already done this area. So we'll just hit it. We set a lint-free cloth, so we've just got an old t-shirt. So now we'll take off all the excess, because if you leave any streaks on this, when it dries, it'll dry like a glistening streak, and you'll have to sand that back and then redo it. So just looking at this, from what it was not even 5 minutes ago, just this basic treatment, and I know it looks pretty simple and straightforward, but to do this whole cabinet will probably take me half to 3/4 of a day if I go constantly at it. So you can see already, just with this short period of time, what an absolute incredible job that this pale boiled oil does.
That's looking fabulous.
Oops, here's the boss. So, if you polish it well enough, it actually will get a bit of a sheen about it. And you can do this about 3 times, and it'll come up. So, let's just have a look and see how good that's come up. And we've only been at this about 10 minutes. So you can see the sheen that's already on that, and that front of the cabinet there is looking exceptionally good. So again, you compare it with the old and the treated and the old again. So it's a really, really good, simple, easy way to start off. This will give you a good indication of what treatment you actually really need to do. And the beauty of it is, if you're not happy with it, you can then just sand it and then do another treatment. So it's an extremely good first step. So thanks very much. This is Wayne and Judy signing off.